In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Copilot history. Whether you're cleaning up your digital footprint or simply prefer to maintain privacy and organization, managing your conversation history with Microsoft Copilot is a useful skill to master. We'll walk you through the process step by step, keeping it straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search engine and type in Microsoft Copilot. Hit Enter, and you should see the official Microsoft Copilot link at or near the top of the search results. Click on that link to proceed to the Microsoft Copilot page. Now that you've arrived on the Microsoft Copilot website, it's time to log in. You'll need to use one of the available options to access your account. You can choose to log in using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft credentials. Simply click on the relevant login button and follow the on-screen instructions. Be sure to have your login details handy, as you'll need to enter them to gain access. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check that you're using the correct account information and ensure your internet connection is stable. Once you've successfully logged in, let's direct our attention to the left sidebar of the Microsoft Copilot interface. On this sidebar, you will notice various options and tools available to customize and manage your experience. What you're looking for is a section labeled Conversations. This is the hub for all your past interactions with Microsoft Copilot tied to the account you're logged into. Identifying this section is crucial because it contains the history you're aiming to clear. With the list of conversations open, you'll be able to see a comprehensive history of your exchanges with Copilot. Each entry will have a title or subject line, making it easier for you to identify specific conversations. To proceed with deletion, examine the list until you spot the conversation you wish to remove. Position your mouse cursor over the title of this conversation. As you hover over the title, you should see an option to delete or a trash can icon appear. Click on this option. A confirmation might pop up to ensure that you really want to delete this conversation permanently. Confirm your decision and let the system handle the rest. Congratulations, you've effectively cleaned up your recent Copilot history. Take a moment to bask in the satisfaction of a tidier digital environment. If there are more conversations you'd like to remove, simply repeat these steps. Remember that managing your data is not just about privacy. It's also about keeping things tidy and easy to manage. With these tools at your disposal, maintaining your Microsoft Copilot account becomes a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Until next time, enjoy peace of mind with a neatly organized digital space.